and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working with the Greetings for You card workshop because I wanted to build a card workshop using these Greetings for You mix and match ephemera packs because they're all so pretty. They're gold foil. In this pack, there are 6 of each message. And so you in your kit will get 1 of each message. These are actually sticky back. Now I popped a lot of mine, but I didn't have to because they were sticky back. But I like to pop things. So, I've ruined everything. But super fun. They're so pretty, very cute, and you will see. So I created these cards. Okay, so the first card is it's not tricky because these little shaker windows make the shaker card so simple, but I love it, and I had to do it, and it went perfectly with these beautiful messages. So okay, that's going to be the hardest one. I also used these Joyful Days Memories and More card pack. So 3 of your cards will be using this. We've got the second card, they're using the traditions of Christmas. Here's a couple more cards using those Joyful Days cards. And then we've got a couple of cards using the Modern Christmas. So we got a nice selection there, but all fast and easy. This is faster and easier than you think. Lots of fun. This is the everyday greetings for you cards with Robin. So reserve yours now. Very fun. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.